What's going on? What up, everybody? Hey, man, passed the Bullknox 150 today. Do I have to wait till the end of the day? Yes. Peter, you passed a 150K account with Bullknox? That's going to be interesting. Dude, I always tell people not to do any of to only do the 50Ks. Dude, the activation fee is going to be ridiculously high. The activation fee on that is like, it's $500 is the activation fee, Peter. Yeah. Hold on, I'm trying to copy it into the chat. That's why I tell everybody the 50K is the only one to roll with Bullknox. If you're going to get anything else, just go to a different prop firm. Yeah. Yeah, we're dumping. I've been talking. If you look on the daily, I mean, you might get down to 686 or retest this. Oh, you know what I meant to bring up today? I don't. Actually, I could just add it on this chart. This is the 5. So if you watched my video yesterday, you would have gotten short at 22,021. That's freaking crazy. That's what the video, the split test yesterday was about. Was this? Yo, you know what you remind me? Oh, I'm trying to fucking. I can't believe it's not letting me. I don't know what's going on here. Anyways, Peter, I am putting together, because everybody has questions about this stuff. I'm putting together a list of pros, cons, withdrawal, like what you need to withdraw. I'm going to do activation fees. I'm going to have one big file that literally has all the information on it, on all the prop firms. So you don't have to keep looking around, and that you would know exactly what everything is. What up, CT? It just makes it easy for, it's going to make it easy for a lot of people. What's the best deal right now for some investment for the rest of the day? I'm green across. I mean, you got your Apex cheap ones, my funded futures. You know, Bullnox isn't bad with they're not offering the big discount though right now, so I wouldn't even do that. For a cheaper one, I mean Apex is, oh no, Apex isn't even running a deal. Oh, you know who's running a deal, dude? Check this out. Let me see. Who's running the best deal? I mean, yeah, so I'll have that whole spreadsheet up by Monday, and I'll share it and whatnot. I would say my funded futures is the cheapest. No activation fee. Oh, I can't even fucking bring up. Let me see if I could bring it up. They're offering 50K starter plus evals for the same price as starters right now. That's what they're doing. That's the deal. No activation fee. Yeah, I made it a little bit bigger. No activation fee. Starter plus is the same as yeah, Keith. It's gonna be in one spot. It's just gonna be it's gonna be easy. You're gonna have all the rule changes in there, and it's just gonna stay updated. A lot of people ask about it. It's just easier just to have it in one spot. Check this out. This is one of those Tradeify straight to funded accounts. I hit that for 900 today. And then I took my Take Profit Trader Pro account up to 770. Well, how come they don't advertise no fee? What on my funded futures? I feel like they do. Got a higher low right here. I'll break over 68, and this thing might fucking party. I might fuck, I gotta bring up my others. Yo, what up, Dor? It should be. I know that they have no activation fee across their whole thing. Oh, this is looking like this. It's got to stay above here. If not, you're probably going to get this. Dude, this market, How did I find that sale? The guy Dennis sent it to me, sent me that infographic. The guy who works at My Funded Future sent that to me because it has, you know, it says if you use my coupon code. I've never tested it with my coupon code, so I couldn't tell you. But Starter Plus should be the same, should be 102, which is the same price as Starter. Dude, they're just gonna dump this. Yeah, so starters are 97. Starter Plus is 102 with the coupon code. Yo, what up, Josh? Finally getting that dip. Just had a hold, man. That's how easy it is, Sean. You just got to hold. Yo, everybody bitches. Just had to hold, man. It's been telling you to hold the whole time. Maybe it's just for you. No, I can't use it. Test it out, Keith. You don't have to buy, but put in the information and use the coupon code. Use my coupon code. Let me know if it works. If it doesn't reduce the price, let me know and I'll tell them. Yo, only free shorts today. What are we talking? Oh, this Starter Plus eval 20% off with my coupon code. Oh, maybe only my code works. Well, use the best code then. There you go. Hopefully it saves you the money. I'm not allowed to use it, so it won't work for me. So just enter the fair value gap from the daily. What is this? Is the previous day low right here, by the way. I'm taking it. Previous day low. We swept the previous day low, right? You see the sweep, and now we're taking it back up. It's a fair value gap on the daily. Okay. Let me see. Oh, yeah, right on the top. I mean, you can trade into these, though. Like, you can trade down. I like it because it swept the previous day low. I'd like to take half off somewhere though. Come on. Think we're going to 780. What is that? That's the next pivot point is up there, right? $780. What is that? 785, 786. All right, so I just took one off, by the way. I took one off. I'm going to move my stop up. And I plan on riding this one. So let's see what happens. I'm afraid we rejected the 34. That's like my biggest fear. So that's why I took one off and I'm riding one. So we'll see what happens. Got to break the 34. Very cautious right here. I almost want to sell and then buy if it breaks the 34, but I'm seeing if I'm up in my old Robinhood account. All right, up $65 in my Robinhood account. Oh. All right, so now I just push this. I just pushed this to right under the 34. My stop is moved up to lock in some more gains, and let's let this shit ride. Dude, I hope this thing blows all over the chart and we go all the way up. I plan on moving under the candles as we move up. Each candle I'll probably move up under. And as long as we continue, as long as we keep continuing up, I'm just going to keep pushing it up. All right. All the way up. Nothing can stop us. Is starter still better than the starter plus? The thing is, the starter is better in the eval stage because you could pass in 1 day instead of 2 days. But the starter plus has no consistency rule and no scaling rule. So you could play more than one mini once you're funded. So it's much better once you're funded. So you have a better funded account with the starter plus. Just see they have a scaling rule on the starter and a consistency rule, and then no consistency rule on evals. But starter has no consistency rule. The consistency rules on the eval, which you can only do 50% in one day. But you could also oh, it says micro scaling, but no scaling rule. Hold on. I would, if starter, but is funded limited to 1 mini? It's definitely 3 in the eval. I know the starter only has 1 mini until you hit 1200, and then it increases as you increase. Yo, less than $400, and I'm here taking fucking daily payouts from Take Profit Trader. Almost there, baby. Almost there. I think I need another $3,000, and I can take. What's messed up is I bought this account. It's an older account. It got reset. The drawdowns are now $4,000, so I have $1,000 less drawdown.
Order filled.
Dude, don't follow this. This is all in on Topstep. I'm going up long, but like my drawdown is super tight because there's not much left in the account, and I'm just in. Just because you heard it, I'm just telling you what it is. Will resets be 102? I believe resets are 102. Josh, the drawdown is still 3,000 on Tradeify? Did I just read that wrong? No, dude. Look, trailing max 4,000. 100K straight straight to sim funded. 4,000. Mine's only 3,000 though. Mine's only 3,000. No, I'm straight to funded. Yo, appreciate the support, Keith. I believe this is straight to funded. That's an advanced account? Are you shitting me? It was like they were running some deal. I got it super. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Fuck, Josh. This is such a shit account, to be honest with you. $3,000 drawdown to make 6,000. Fucking Josh just popped my bubble. Jesus, dude. I'm so pissed. This is my pissed face. I'm so mad about that. Are you kidding me? I guess that's why it was, the rebill was like $17. I think I got it on one of those crazy discounts. Bro, I'm so pissed. I mean, now just fucking let it rip. I actually gave a shit about this account for like 2 seconds. There we go. It was like $17. I put so much fucking time because I thought it was like an actual real account. Such a sucker. Such a sucker. Well, if it goes down any further, this account's gone. Well, that sucks. Here, I thought I made $900 in a funded account. Oh, what up, David? Such a piece of shit. Now I got to check what my subscriptions are in there. 1,000 tick chart. Yeah, see, why is it when I set it up, mine doesn't look like that at all. So weird, mine doesn't look like that with the dots or anything. I don't know why. I don't understand. I gotta look why mine doesn't look like that because I don't really like the way Super Trend actually looks. Oh, look at that. It created these things. Let's see what happens. See, this would have won right here. You would have gotten your 10 points. So fucking annoyed. Ah. What are the odds that they can algo candle this all the way the fuck up for me? Do not blow. Do not blow. This is not looking good. That I can tell you. They just keep wicking it up and selling it down. Think they have an option objective? What, like you talking about like max pain? 5 micros max starter plus funded. What about minis? How many minis can you do? What's the mini train look like, Keith? What up, Ray? That's how the regular starter is, Keith. 1 mini. Like this account, I can only do 1 mini in it. Not gonna lie, it kind of helps you from not blowing the account. Well, Starter Plus is the same price. Nah, Starter is not 3 minis, Josh. I have Starter right here. It's 1 mini. Starter is 1 mini. 1 mini is definitely good enough. Yes, the funded starter is 1 mini. Funded eval is 3 minis. See the F funded 1 mini. But I mean, I could show you. I can hit the button a bunch of times. It doesn't let me go more than doesn't let me go. Let's see what happens. See? Yeah, you could scale up to 3 minis. You got to make money. Take your fucking advanced $17 thing and get out. If I get stopped right here, I won't trade in this account anymore today. I'm going to shut this account off. If I get stopped, this account goes, I'm clicking it off so I don't play in it. I would have liked to see continuation. Yo, what up, Josh? Yeah, I know. I got to pay an activation fee also. I got it on a promo deal. He must have done a promo a while back because that account rebuilt for like $17 and I got it. And I was like, oh, that's cool. And then I thought it was straight to funded because I thought I've only. Oh, I got stopped out of this account. I'm off. I'm off of this one. I'm just getting out of that. Oh, I want it to drop so fucking bad. What the fuck did I do? Did I buy 3? Oh my god. Dude, you held all day? What? Hold on one second. What account do you hold all day that you could just the ups and downs? Were you just in your live account? Yeah, it was Christmas Eve or something. Yeah, it was one of those. It was one of those things, dude. Yeah. That's a long. Oh, cash. Yeah, that makes sense. It's so much easier to play a personal account. To be honest with you guys, personal account is definitely easier. You don't have to worry about drawdown. There's a lot of things that make it easier. At least to me, like once I'm in a trade and it's going my way, like I move up the stop a little bit. And then if I look on the higher time frames and I think we're gonna just keep going, I just kind of hold it. But I don't have to worry about drawdown and all this other BS that comes along with it. There's a lot of other crap that goes along with I'll be chicken a trade. Nah, personal account. I'll be honest with you, Eminem. The personal account is you'll play less money. So I play 3 micros and I'll scale up to 12 micros. But I tend to kind of just let it move around a lot more. Activation fee, I think, is 125 on Tradeify. Yeah, I mean, live accounts are just I'm not normally looking at the 1 minute, like I don't know. I just feel like I play more like if I buy like say at the pivot point here, like, I'm willing to let that move around like 30 points. I by no means am tight. I keep it so much more loose when it's my own money. Because I know the drawdown is not going to hurt me. Like, I'm not going to sit here and be like, oh, I'm going to blow this account because of the drawdown. Like, I have faith that it's going to come back, I guess. Faith is a bad word to use, but has that fucking look. Oh, come on. Don't do that to me. Don't do it to me. Come on. Come on. You know you want it. Obviously, learn strategy and risk management, prop firms, but after some time, move to your own personal account. I just took that off. That was $310. I normally keep a 90-point stop loss. Also did 2K on my Apex PA and 500 take profit. Yeah, it's a solid freaking day, Josh. Well, all the tech earnings are Wednesday, Sean. So it's going to be interesting. I'm trading the 10 min nowadays. Yeah. I always wish I added more contracts after I see it go up. After I see it was a good trade, I'm like, man, imagine if I went in with like 30 cons. So look, we back tested this last night video. Bearish engulfing candle on the 5 that you can get 10 points out of it. Bullish engulfing, you can get 10 points. White, another bullish engulfing, 10 points.
Would you have gotten stopped out here, though?
I've debated on what my stop would be if it was going to be this candle that it engulfed or the bottom of the engulfing candle. I meant to do that when I did the back test, and I did not. Because if you go off this candle, you would have been stopped. And if you go off the candle it engulfs, you would have made money. I don't know. What up, Kyle? What up, Messi? Walter the GOAT. Don't go. Oh, it's getting freaking dicey. I wonder if I still feel like we're going to close at low a day. How's that sound? Low a day just feels like that's where we're going to be going. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. I liked this trade when we made the higher high and then we broke over here. When we swept the previous day low, that was nice. That might be the bottom for today. I don't know. But that was a good spot to do it when you sweep and then you pop back through. The old sweep the leg. Yo, what up, Coach Fred? Honestly, I think it's going to go up 100 points more, bro. You can definitely be right with that. I could see that. I could definitely see it keep just grind it up. I mean, I think this is the 200 at 961, and the VWAP is at 983. Yo, if we made back all of this dump, that would be a wild bounce back. Oh, you meant down? I mean, we break here, I would say you're going to probably shoot to 768. Would be the next stop probably. Is this the week low? Oh, that's the previous week high. As at 683. Damn. Yeah. I just don't want the grind. Give me the moves. Starting to get flat. I don't want no flat action. Give me the action. Jeez. Tired. Oh, they're going to come ripping it down. 768. Well, here we go. Moving all the way down. What's real interesting is get myself in there. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. Wow, maybe I'll win one finally. Hey, man, got to be in it to win it. This is just new low. Why didn't the line draw? I think they're gonna bounce it right here. Little bounce. I'm not gonna play it, but oh yeah, they're just unloading this one. What you want to see is it come back and like retest this trend line and then roll would be like the ultimate. Get a bounce back up to like 880 or something and then just roll it over. Nice, Josh. Nice. So value just got a flash pop. Just a flash pop. Flash pop it up. Oh. Of course, it stops me out and then fucking runs. Unreal. I like it to the downside. This is really what I wanted to see was it come back up. Let's see if it touches the trend line. I can't believe I was just in this long and they stopped me out. Are they going to push way back over? Cool. I'm not going short now. I wanted to see a rejection off this trend line, but the fact of the matter is they blew right past it. So at that point, I just watch. My thesis is broken. You know, once your thesis is broken, I can't say, oh well, you know, that's what I wanted to see. I want to see it come up, tag this line, and then roll back over. Trading influence. Am I trying out take profit new promo? I did. I have a take profit trader funded account. I'm up $600 in my funded account. I'm getting super close to a payout. I love take profit trader. I got to get more accounts. I just have too many accounts. But yeah, take profit trader is 50% off. 50% off, no daily loss limit now, which is what everybody complained about. Everyone complained that there was a daily loss limit. So now they took the daily loss limit out. I would love if they went back to no activation fee. That would be pretty cool. That'd be a cool thing to do. There you go. Yo! What up, Corey? Yeah, 50% off. And there's no daily loss limit. I want to get some 150s. I'm kind of liking this 150 Apex account I got. It allows me to make more money in the day without worrying about a drawdown. Free shorts, baby. It's back in the trend. Let the trend be your friend. What up, Jay Styles? I went half size. Apparently, I got caught on the trailing drawdown on Take Profit Trader on both my accounts. Back to square one. I'm super dumb. They gave me extra account for the problems, and I blew that too. Oh. Am I looking for a long? I am not looking for a long. I am actually in short right now. I'm in half size. This is not like a great setup. So I literally reduced the size of. I want to see this get under 875. If it doesn't get under 875 soon, I'm probably out. I'll put it like that. I would just trade a paper account full port and maybe just work on whatever you're doing. I still can't get over that my Tradeify account was not a funded account. I'm so annoyed about that. The roads by me are still freaking frozen. Josh, where are you at? What state are you in? I still got snow by me. My whole driveway's still got. Oh, you're in New Orleans? Oh, that's because you have no snow removal at all over there. I got snow removal in New York, but everything's frozen here. Oh, is this my house? Yeah, man, it's my house. You want me to move to the table behind me? I can turn. I can go to the. I can go to my table behind me. I had it designed. Thanks, man. She blocks an ice rink. I designed all the knobs for him. Obviously. I'm just moving my. I'm moving my stop down. Put it as the beach. Yo, you'd be looking at a white wall if I didn't have this up. There's just a white wall behind me. Like it's nothing cool. Like you wouldn't be seeing like my house or anything. You'd be looking at my office. I'm in like I'm in an office. I have a bathroom over here, a closet. It's like a large bedroom. Man, that's why I moved my stop down. Cove has like a Chinese sweatshop behind them. Oh, jeez. They're making me Nikes right now. We shall see if it does. I actually made some good money in my Bullnox funded accounts today. This one's up 325 today, and this one's up 290. Working those up. Yo, I'm about to sell those fake Rolexes on eBay. Chop, chop, chop. Get back to work. No food for you. Bro, you ever see that Sean Strickland interview when the girl speaks Chinese to him and she asks him to say something and he's like, tell me how to say work harder, child, in case I ever open up a clothing company. Yo, Sean Strickland is crazy. You bring disgrace to the family. Oh man. hanging in there. It does look like they're just going to bring it up, though. Put some orders in some places. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. Come on, just reject, man. It looks like it's going to blow right through this bitch, though. It's looking really good. If this blows right through this, it's going to fucking go. If it goes, it's going to go. Billions and billions. Dude, when he said billions and billions on that speech yesterday, that was like the best part. Billions and billions. I was like, oh, geez. I'm trying to get a fucking quick little scalp off the pop. Actually, I'm not even going to do that. This is the 105, which equates to the 21 on the 5 minute. What up, F1? Yeah. This thing's holding on. Having a beautiful Friday here. Yeah, don't mess it up. This is looking very this is not looking great. It literally is holding on by a thread. By a thread. There's no push though. Like that was the break, and there's no volume push. Where the fuck is the volume push at? Where's the push? There is literally no follow through. Shorts, you got no balls. Come on. Let's see if it travels all the way down. Those guys were launching and pressing buttons. Which guys? Yo, 250K eval. Man, the action happened during lunch. Dude, it did. There was a lot of, dude, we were just dumping during lunch. It was awesome. At least you had a direction. Like, we have no direction. It's just fucking slopping around right now. Yeah, I mean, it was great. It was great for a bit. And then, I don't know. All right. 175. That was a good trade. Fucking tested my patience, but I got it. It tested me. You think she's gonna shit the bed? I'd like to see it consolidate a little bit, work this off, back up to like 40s, and then roll, but oh, it just flipped. Oh, yeah. Back up to 77 and then roll over. That would actually be pretty clean. That would be clean action, 77 and then roll. See, it's just crazy because if you look at the hourly, which is this, like, this looks like a bounce is coming. Like, we get above 897. Like, you got to think we're going to work all the way back up. You know, on the higher time frame, it looks so good. If we can get over 897. Oh, my eye. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, my stream has been stuck. Shit the bed, you think? What I say, 77 and then shit the bed? Where is that? Like right here? Right here and then roll would be clean. Let's see if it dumps on out. To the downside? Oh, man. Yeah, 4-hour trend line. Dude, that was such a nice move during lunch. We haven't had like a clean move like that for a while. Here we go. Sell through, baby. You think we're closing at 950, Keith? $950 is up there. $950 is really up there. There we go, 130 bucks. Right? What do we get? 130? Oh, 2,500 away? Oh, fuck me. I did not mean to do that. Full 650 on a rebill. What size count is that? A 150? 250? I think that's a 250, right? Yeah, 250K. Yeah, you got to make $15,000. I mean, the trend is you're going to come back up to this 34, and we're just going to keep rejecting until it finally grabs some type of selling volume to the downside, and we really push. That's kind of what it seems like. We're just going to trend, and then eventually it's just going to fall off a cliff. It's how it feels. I don't know. I'm definitely more biased to the downside. Oh, that was a nice fucking scalp on here. 55 bucks. $120. Oh yeah. I wouldn't even look for longs until you get over the 34 here. It's kind of just following it down. It's kind of just following it downtown. Not much movement though. This duck race is only legit. Why? What happened? Why? I'm just curious. What happened? Is there non-legit ones? Just remember who brought the duck race to the prop firm world. Yo, you know what I want to do? We're going to do this one day. We might do this on Monday, by the way. Let me show you. You guys are going to laugh. This is like, have you guys ever watched South Park by any chance? Anybody here watch South Park? Yo, if you've watched South Park before, yo, we're gonna do the ball bag race. Yo, we can do the ball bag race one day. Maybe we'll do it on Monday. Oh man. Guy's just wheelbarrowing his balls around. Yeah, Corey. Boom, 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 boom. Come on. It broke that rounded, like if you look, you kind of get like a rounded top. See how it has like a rounded top? And normally you're supposed to round off and then just kind of completely die, kind of like, you know, top, and then you just kind of like die quick. We're kind of not getting it. I mean, you are getting a lower high here, but we break over 90 and it kind of invalidates it. Definitely invalidates it. Dude, you ain't kidding, Joseph. Yo, how's your accounts going anyway? Building back from last Friday's debacle, I set myself back a month. How many accounts did you blow on Friday? You just blow a lot? What was the damage like? I mean, you could bounce back pretty quick. Depends on how hard you push it. Is this a buy at the top, sell at the bottom? Oh, you're talking about like in this range, like if you just went like right across. I mean, you could try that, Kyle. If you look, it can't get over this red line. We're just basically following it. Damn, Joseph. That sucks. That sucks, man. I feel for you. I feel for you, dude. That sucks. Just build it back. You know, that's all you can really do. Just don't go on tilt. And that's the best way. No tilt action. Okay, I've been gathering data on my signals. I have 5 on the 5-minute time frame that have been excellent win rates. If I just stick to those right size, that's all you got to do. Honestly, it's just find a set of indicators that works for you and just stick with it. I mean, that's it. That's kind of, I mean, I've been putting out a ton of videos. I've been putting out a ton of videos recently, and all about win rates and different backtesting different signals and backtesting scripts. And I'm just trying to find the easiest way to make money for people who are brand new. Like one of them was this. Look, you could easily got 10 points when this activated. This 73, you might have got wicked right out and you would have lost 8 points. So net, you'd be up 2 points. And then here you would have gotten 10 points. So you'd be up 12 points today. 12 points on one mini is over $200. So that's all you need. You don't need anything else. I'm trying to keep things super simple for people. super simple. Just for, I want people to take some of this stuff and then build off of it into their own system. I've been forward testing my prime signals for 7 months now. I have data on 100 trades each, real-time trading. Yeah. I mean, you just got to stick with it. All you got to do is just stick with it. What's up, Emil? Are we going to get some fucking follow through here? Are we going to get some follow through? I would love to break low of day. We break low of day, this would be freaking awesome. It's a quick $65. I turned it green, up 111 on the day in that account now. Let's get this one up more. Feels like money was spent already, no volume. Yeah, you're not getting the follow through. You're definitely not getting the follow through. I feel like this could have easily been the dump. An easy dump, and we're just not getting it. Yo, tilt is the worst, man. Tilt gets everybody. My mindset was too undisciplined. Plus, now I have the pressure to win. Yo, I'm telling you, Joseph, the pressure's the worst. That's kind of why I do stocks and options, because the pressure is off of me, because I know that I'm just collecting premium every week. So I know money's coming in. ES just took out the lows. What do they call that? SMT is what they call it in the ICT world, where this one took out the lows, this one didn't. So a NASDAQ is stronger. So if we bounce, this will rip higher. Right? That's how they use it. That or it's going to fucking drag the NQ down if ES just sells off. I will say, if ES starts pumping, I hold leaps on Novaks. Super bullish. It feels like this is going to run one way or the other. Forming a double bottom. Bounce off it, get a nice power bottom. Just get us out of here. Now, ES is just failing at this. A big power bottom. Which one leads normally? I don't think it's a lead or follow type thing. It's whatever one's stronger or weaker. What people do is see how this took out the lows. They'll be framing a long, and when they want to see the ES take out the lows, they want to see NQ not take out the lows. And then once you break like a fair value gap to the upside, say like right here, a close over, you basically got the entry that they want. That's the model. That's the model. I mean, and then you set, technically you would set the lows as the, that's NVAX, right, Josh? NVAX? The old Cleveland steamer bottom, the old reach around power bottom. Let's not leave out dirty fortune. They go through cycles, man. I know. That was a hot stock. I remember. Then it dropped a bunch and then it bounced. Is the Russell up today? No, Russell's down. If ES can break this trend, this downward trend right here, you're probably gonna get an all-around pop. Me, a bad day? These two accounts were, two of the accounts I blew were copy traded. And it was during a opening range trade that didn't work out. Something happened. I gotta see what caused it. But I'm also up $600 in a Take Profit Trader Pro account. up 135. I would say not a good day, but it's not terrible. Not like I lost all my accounts type of day. Well, that just helped me out a little bit. I've been long for 4 candles already, Knob. I'm out. 480 bucks. Woo! Oh, that was awesome. I wonder if this runs. I'm willing to just risk it. I liked the setup in general. Like the actual fucking trading setup was solid. I went over it. I didn't realize that it was 350 though. But I went over the whole setup and why I liked it. Honestly, this just broke that trend line. I wonder if we run into close. My God, I was all in on this long. Had 300. Bro, that's awesome. Quick question. Often I can't seem to get my OBS background removal to make my silhouette look as good as yours. What's my secret? I have no idea, Josh. I just hit the regular button on the thing. I don't change any settings or anything. I don't have like a special settings button or anything like that, to be honest with you. I use an external camera if that matters. But other than that, but yeah, I don't really know. Yeah, I just clicked the button. Maybe it's just the lighting in your room. I don't know. Don't stop me out. Please, mister, don't stop me out. Come on. Go up. Push it up. Pretty, please. I want to see big fucking giant candles to the upside. My camera is not anything special. Even the algo candles suck today. Oh, you're a big piece of shiznick. This trade was actually really good. We held here. They swept the lows. Fuck it. We gonna go?
Order rejected.
The fuck? Why the fuck did that happen? Why did it say order rejected? Oh, geez. That was another big ass wick candle. Well, these accounts are less than $400 away from payouts. I'm just moving orders around. Wick me all night long? Dude, watch this just fucking run. Watch this just run. I just want to keep moving up my fucking stops. Wow. Yo, is this one of those like I'm gonna short at the end of the day? At the end of the market, if we go up to probably if we go up to like 40 or something, I'll short it at the end of the day. Give it an end of day short. The old 10 seconds left. But I need to, it can't come back and close here. That's not what I'm looking for. I want to see a big fucking move. It wants to. I feel like it wants to. No. So long. Market, you did me so wrong. I mean, ultimate would be right now the next candle gets over this and then they take it up. Right here, they take it up over 19. You'd see it just go fucking bananas probably. Let's go.
Order filled.
Where the fuck was that? Holy shit. Dude, I didn't even know I was in a Topstep order this whole time. Yo. I was in Topstep long the whole time. I just got fucking filled. Yo, they just took me out. That's fucking crazy. Look. Look at that shit. I think I got to lose money, right? 1,500.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Hold on.
Order
I just got to
filled.
lose some money.
Order filled.
I'm losing the money.
Order filled. Order filled.
I lost enough. I lost enough. Awesome. Dude, that was crazy. I completely forgot I even had that order in. Oh shit! I got an order in here too. I forgot about. Oh. Fuck yes. Fuck yes.
Order filled.
Let's see if I just went long in Topstep. Gains, baby. Bro, you ain't kidding. Juwan, I've gotten 2 Topstep payouts this year.
Order
Why?
filled.
Are they? Is it taking too long to pay you or something? Juwan, are they taking long to pay? It took me a couple of days to get my money. How much you make on forgotten orders? That Topstep account was an eval. I made $1,600. This was a funded account. I made 500 and something dollars on it. But yeah, Topstep's paid me twice this year so far. I've gotten paid from Topstep twice. I gotten paid from My Funded Futures twice. And I am over on this Apex account, and then these 2 accounts are, what is that? $370 away from getting paid. Also got some Bullnox accounts I'm working up. I'll be honest with you. I'm not the biggest fan of Topstep. For one, every time I enter a trade on Topstep X, I'm always down. Also, when they pay you money, you don't get it like same day. Like My Funded Futures, I was paid in 30 seconds. In 30 seconds, I had money from My Funded Futures. That just doesn't happen at Topstep. And they only let you take half your money. You can only take 50% of your gains the first 30 days. Like, I don't know what's up with that. But I'm hoping I can take 2 more prop firm payouts before the end of the month, maybe 3. My personal account is up like my personal account's up maybe only like $1,500, $1,000 to $1,500. I use the forgotten order strategy from now on, Cove. Well, you know what happened? Why I put the order in. I'll show you why I liked it. What was the big fucking factor? I bought at the bottom when we had these 5-minute bullish engulfing candles. Here is where I bought, and I put my stop as low a day. And then I got more bullish when you guys had me watch the ES and the NQ. When I saw ES sweep the lows right here, NQ held the lows right here, and that's when I got in with other accounts, and my stop was basically low a day, or I think this bottom wick. And yeah, it was simple. Look, super simple. ES breaks out, NQ obviously breaks out. I thought that was a really fucking solid play. And then I was talking about, that's what I was talking about, how they use that is like they call it SMT, and then you wait for a fair value gap to flip, and that fair value gap to flip was right this fair value gap on the way down. Once we got over that, which was 875, you basically take it long, and then you have your stop is down here. That was actually a really fucking nice setup. That was a really, really nice setup. It's Mrs. Cove's birthday today, so I got to go open the door for my kids. I'll be right back in 2 seconds, and then we'll run this duck race. Do you think 5-point scout was fine with my funded futures? Yeah, Cody. Yeah. They loosened up on the scalping. Yo, I got her birthday present right here. I got it right on me. Yo, what up, Ivan? Oh, this looks like looks like we might go up. Here we go. 8.
We need to start that.
I'm all in with this eval. Dude, that's pretty solid, Tapped. That's real solid. I got to start decorating. So I'm going to run this thing, and I've got some really cool videos coming out over the weekend on back testing, all types of shit, all types of cool stuff with high win rates. My videos are going to be coming out. So make sure you take a peek. That bullish engulfing thing worked out pretty well today. It actually called the top. If you look, it actually got the very bottom of the day. The alert came on, if you look, and it literally called this top. So you would have had this top, and you would have had this bottom. Isn't that crazy how that works? It's worth adding on your chart. I can tell you that right now. I'm going to add it on my other charts.
The markets are closed.
The problem is it's on the 5 minute. So that's why I have it on here. But anybody that's new here, we stream live every day, 10:30 to noon. And then again, 2 to about 4:30. How do you know it isn't repainting it though? It's a bullish engulfing candle, so there's nothing to like. You can see when it gets made. It gets made when the candle closes. It gets made. It's not calling the bottom. It's just calling that there's a bullish engulfing candle there. Like it's not trying to find the bottom. It just so happens that when you get a 5 minute bearish or bullish engulfing candle, it usually signifies a trend change. I got a whole video, dude. I just here for Cody. There's got to be one.
What's going on?
Here for all you guys. Go take a look. That's the video on it. So it's such an easy little strategy. It's something that you should definitely keep up. That one's good. I have a bunch of good backtesting videos if you haven't watched. All right, let me roll this out because I gotta freaking start decorating and stuff. Y'all, I'm about to run it right now. All right, I can't see the chat, so. Yo, if you guys like the duck races, we give away accounts Monday, Friday, and another random day during the middle of the week. If you like the duck races and you want to support the channel, use coupon code COVETRADER. That's what allows me to do this. It's basically giving back. That's pretty much it. I got to run this. I got to start decorating my house. I still got to wrap my wife's gifts. What? Can we play the half horse, half man song for the stream? If it's copywritten, I can't. Yo, on Monday, we're going to do a ball bag race. It's a special ball bag race. So be on for that. Don't want to miss out. Quack, quack. I can't believe I went the whole stream without playing this.
We're going to win so much.
Whoa, what happened to it? What?
We're going to win so much. You may even get tired of winning and just say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
To wrap a Ferrari, they could probably do that in like 2 or 3 days, man. Wrapping a Ferrari doesn't take long. I don't have a Ferrari, but I know how long it takes to wrap a car. It's too much winning. Yo, I'm about to freaking get some payouts and just go bananas. Start taking big ass payouts. Ah. Oh, my kids want me to come out so bad. Oh, is the Trump? Is he gonna win? Oh, they never let the Trump fuck win. 2 more minutes. Oh yeah, I wish I had enough money to start gifting them. 417. Yo, next duck race that we do, you can only I'm only gonna do it at. I'm gonna start the entries. I'm gonna only keep it open for 2 minutes, so people can't sign on multiple accounts. And I think I'm just gonna do a random. Do you guys want me to do it a random time, just so it's only people in the room that do it? Is that how you guys want it? I'm gonna do it right now. Start a poll. Hold on. So basically what I would do is, I don't know, say at 3:15, I'll just say, hey, duck race is open. Entries come in, 3 minutes, it closes, and then we run the duck race at the end of the market. Well, I'm going to run the race after the market just because, I want to trade during the day. But I'll open it up for like randomly whoever's in there. So it's basically you just got to be on the stream. And if you're not on the stream, you're probably going to miss it. Yeah. Okay. All right. The high table of the Cove chat has spoken. We're going to do it that way so it stops any random people from just coming in the room for 2 seconds and then leaving and putting it in there. I only say that because the numbers, go ahead, 2 minutes. The numbers.
Okay, I'll give you 2 more minutes, but that's it.
Okay, bud. Yeah, it rewards the active users. So somebody can't just come in here, submit the code, and then come back at like 4:15 for the race. Who is on the high table? The guys that are in here all the time. Sean, you're on the high table. Yeah. So basically, I'll just randomly open it, and if they're not in, they're not in. Yeah. Raise on the high table. So going forward, that's what we're going to do. We'll just open it randomly, and then we'll run the race at the end of the day. And if you're in, you're in. And you just got to be around to enter. So it rewards people that are on. 3 minutes? Nah, because they're not going to be sitting there all day, Blue. Yo, enjoy your weekend. They're not going to sit there all day. I got to freaking run. I got to go decorate and wrap gifts and do a bunch of stuff. Let's get some payouts. Next week we're getting payouts. I got a bunch of accounts that are close to payouts. Hopefully you guys too. All right. Peace.